My name is Ragan. I'm the head of manufacturing here. I want to take a minute to show you how we assemble our products. These are the components that go into all of our units. They're sourced from all over the world, but final assembly is done right here in Missoula, Montana. This is the core unit for the standard Power Perfect box and its big brother, the Super Duty. The only difference between the two is the Super Duty has an extra core unit. Right now, we're just going to focus on the standard Power Perfect box. This is what it looks like assembled. This is what the average person will use. This covers a modest size house. If you have a large home or a large solar array, you want the big brother, the Super Duty. We actually have one installed here in our shop at the panel. Why don't we go take a look at it? So let's get some readings with our EMI meter. So right now we're seeing a peak of 957 millivolts, and we're bouncing around right in the 950 range. Watch what happens when we turn on our Super Duty. Drops it all the way down to 284. Now, what if you want a little extra boost, bring those numbers down even more? That's where our ES120 plug-in is really great. Watch what happens when I plug that in. Brings it down to almost nothing.